Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In this video, we'll be seeing the scale option. So first, let us create a solid feature. I'll just draw a simple hexagon for this case and extrude it. So scale feature can be found in the insert menu over here. Go to insert features and you can find the scale option here. So select the body to be scaled. So the question of scaling comes when you want to reduce the size of the object so that you can perform the analysis properly on it, or perform the analysis quickly on it, because a larger body takes a lot of computational power. So we can scale about the centroid, origin, or the coordinate system. So origin is about the origin over here. In this case, it coincides with the centroid also. If you have defined a local coordinate system, you can scale about it. I'll just do it with the centroid this time. So now if I want a half size model, I can just put as 0.5 and press OK. Now I have a smaller model. And now if we remove uniform scaling, we can scale about the three different axes in how much ever scale we want. So I'll just enter it to show it. So as you can see, it has been scaled about the different axes in different scales. So this was the scaling feature which we saw. So hopefully it was helpful. If you have any doubts or recommendations, you can put them in the comments. I'll see them. Thank you guys for watching.